Welcome to BTS Test Score. BTS Jungkook eyebrow piercing is real or not? Did Mr. Suvuzo finally end the debate? Ever since the teaser photo and then the music video of Butter dropped, the debate whether the Golden McKnight Jungkook eyebrow piercing is real or not has been dragging on. Fans freaked out when they first saw the zoomed in and saw there was 2 silver stick-ons. When they had their Butter V Live, a fan asked him whether the piercing is real or not. Jungkook responded by saying that it's just stick-ons, even peeled one off to show it. After BTS had a Facebook interview, fans noticed that stick-ons were looking too real zooming in. One could see the shadow beneath the stick-ons and the skin around it on the top of it was lifted looked bumped up. Real or not, debate continued. During BTS Mr. Suvuzo performance, another zoom in on the eyebrow piercing was done. And it looked so real. How much more convincing does one need other than that photo with a close-up of the piercing and all? Some fans were still insisting that the eyebrow piercing was not real, and someone shared photos saying one of the stick-ons had fallen off. Team Piercing is Real argued that the photo showing one of the stick-ons not on Jungkook's face was the one which was edited out. The verdict is still out there. As for me, I believe it's real. Jungkook was probably testing out the waters to see how fans react. And I believe 98% will love to see his eyebrow piercing. The other 2% will always be there who will disagree with the choice no matter what he does. Whether real or not, Jungkook deserves to add art to his body however he sees fit after all. All forms of art, whether it be tattoos or piercing, are a form of expression, are artistic and beautify the wearer of them. BTS Jungkook got matching tattoos with GOT7 Yeongyum, Bam Bam and Mark. Tattoos can symbolize great things and in this case friendship. During BTS 8th anniversary concert event 2021 Mr. Suvuzo, Jungkook rocked some short-sleeve shirts revealing a sleeve of tattoos, some that has been previously gone unseen by ARMYs. After a closer look, some realized that a couple of them actually look familiar. It turns out that tattoos look familiar because they had seen other idols get them too. 2 of Jungkook's tattoos are the same art style as those of GOT7's Yeongyum has. It is quite probable that this was intentional as 97 liners are friends. Their first matching tattoo is the ox to represent them being born in the year of ox, with 97 in Roman number again to symbolize their birth year. They both have had this tattoo for some time now. Fellow 97 liner at GOT7 member Bam Bam also had a similar tattoo, except it's just the XCV11. The tattoo artist has also posted 2 arms with matching year of ox tattoo on their Instagram. Many of the comments on the post have suggested that they belong to Yeongyum and Jungkook. The arm in the photo looks bare compared to what Jungkook's arm looked like now. But it could be that this one was the first tattoo he got on his upper arm. Jungkook and Yeongyum's second matching tattoo is the word truth. Yeongyum had previously gotten this tattoo matching with another GOT7 member Mark. Ever since BTS 2021 Mr. Suvuzo, Jungkook is popping up on ARMY's radar as one of the most iconic ending fairies. Specifically, fans went wild for his sweaty and out of breath ending of Not Today. However, on day 2 of the show, he somehow created an even more charmatic villain. He swiped his hair back, stuck his tongue out and winked with a smile, instantly captivating ARMY's heart worldwide. Often acknowledged by the other members for his camera skills, the boys have previously named Jungkook as a talented ending fairy with his cool expressions. According to fans, some of the most iconic ending fairy moments include his piercing gaze at the end of Blood, Sweat and Tears, his playful cuteness in Go Go, his super sexy ending of Idol. Of course, nobody can forget his iconic Boy With Love ending pose. As expected of the Golden McKnight, there isn't much he can't do. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more BTS updates.